Hey, what's up guys? A very happy new year to all of you and welcome back to another video with me, Coach Ritika. This is the first video of 2021 and I'm happy to start my YouTube journey this year with a very personal video. As the title of the video suggests, today I'm going to talk about how I went from being jobless to running my own online business in 2020. But before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment right now and hit that red subscribe button for more health and fitness content and the bell icon so that you get notifications when I upload videos. So those of you who are new to my channel and watching my YouTube video for the first time, my name is Ritika. I am a CrossFit Level 2 coach and I train people online to be fit and healthy and live a holistic life. Along with that, I also make videos on the internet to put out the right information. So coming back to the topic of the video, today in this video I'm going to talk about how I became a fitness entrepreneur in 2020. Let's go back to pre-COVID, the time before COVID happened, okay? So as I have mentioned, I am a CrossFit Level 2 coach. I used to work for a CrossFit box in Hyderabad. In the morning I used to take 4 sessions, which is 4 hours of job, and in the evening I used to take my personal training sessions as well as my corporate sessions. To be fair and honest, life was good. I really loved working at a CrossFit box and yeah, my life was good. I loved working at the gym. In the evening I used to do my other sessions and things were pretty good. But then COVID happened and with that came the lockdown, and all of us know that most businesses suffered heavy loss during that lockdown, and some businesses even had to shut down because they couldn't keep up with the operational cost. And yeah, there was a time when I wasn't getting paid from the gym. My PTs as well as corporate sessions stopped completely and it seemed like things were going downhill. And at the same time I also knew that I had to find a way to earn a living because I have always been independent after my college was over and there was no way that I would ask somebody else to pay my bills. So I started posting home workout videos on social media, especially on Instagram, and the reaction was amazing. I got a few followers. Many people, started telling me that we want more workouts like this because we are all stuck at home, we don't know what to do, we want to stay fit. And that's when it hit me that this might actually be in my favor and I can actually earn a living out of this. So after a few days, I posted on my Instagram that I will be taking online Zoom sessions, personal trainings only, and interested people can directly message me on Instagram. And many people actually approached me and within 2 months all my slots were full and I was like, wow. And then I realized that if personal trainings can happen online, then even corporate sessions can. And so I started contacting the HR of the companies where I used to take corporate sessions before COVID, and I explained them how this whole online group session will work and the format of the session, and they actually liked the idea, and so they gave me the corporate sessions as well. So from being jobless to taking personal trainings as well as corporate sessions, all these things happened within a span of 3 months. And at the same time I also realized that there will be obviously people who are already into fitness. They know how to do a movement and they know how to do the workouts, but they just need a plan, a customized workout plan which will be based on their fitness goals as well as the equipment that they have access to. So that's when I started posting on Instagram that if anybody is interested for workout plans, customized ones, they can directly approach me on Instagram, they can send me a message. And so I got a lot of messages from people regarding workout plans as well. Now at the same time I also started my YouTube channel Life with Coach Ritika, which is focused on health and fitness. The idea of starting a YouTube journey came from the fact that there are literally so many videos where people are posting content which doesn't really match with reality, and my whole idea was to create videos with real content. Yes, I don't get many views because people are always looking for shortcuts, and the videos which suggest content like that get millions of views. But yeah, when I started my YouTube channel, I made a promise of uploading videos with real content every Sunday. And actually I'm super proud of myself for not really giving up and staying consistent and posting videos week after week. Although I'm not earning anything from YouTube right now and it might be years before I actually even earn a penny. So the year 2020 was life-changing for me because I went from having someone who I was answerable to working for myself with no boss, and that was actually liberating. And I'm super excited for this new year 2021 because I have launched my very own website www.coachritika.com, and if you're looking for online training plans or customized workout plan or remote coaching, then just go to the website. Link is in my bio and you can check it out. So yeah, fitness is an industry which is blooming. So if you guys are looking forward to building a career in fitness industry, then you should definitely go for it. But at the same time, don't just quit your job without a plan, okay? First make a plan, it's super important because things sometimes take time to pick up, and you should be having a source of income at the start of your journey to support yourself. And once you have the plan and it's ready, then you can just go and execute it. That's all for today, you guys. This video was kind of a chatty video, but yeah, I really hope this new year you all find your passion as well as your purpose in life. And if you have any questions, just drop in a comment below and I'm definitely going to get back to you. And if you like this video, then hit that like button. If you think that somebody needs to watch this video to get that motivation to start something on their own, then share this video with your friends and family. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment and hit that red subscribe button down below, and I'm gonna see you guys next Sunday.